Now, more and more people like to order takeaway. You can eat all kinds of delicious without leaving home. Barbecue, fried chicken, spicy soup, seafood, and even hot pot can be achieved by ordering takeaway. 3 meals a day, sometimes in the early morning. You can also eat delicious late night cafeteria, which makes many people feel convenient, and takeaway has become a necessity for young people. The more food you eat, the farther you are from the goal of loving life. The best way to love life is to cook by yourself. In fact, cooking is the best way to relieve stress after